Welcome. Today I'll show you how to easily shop on Coupang using Danzak's service. Step 1. Search for products first. Visit Coupang and search for the items you want. The good news is that English searches are supported. Step 2. Filter for Rocket products. Once you see the search results, look for the Rocket checkbox and click it. This will show you only products that qualify for Rocket delivery, which is perfect for our service. Step 3. Translate if needed. If you need the page in your language, simply use your browser's built-in translation feature. Most modern browsers can translate the entire page instantly. Step 4. Enter the product page. Click on any product that interests you to view the detailed information. Here's a helpful tip. Product images usually don't get translated automatically. Since Korean shopping sites often use images to show product details, I recommend using Chrome's Google Lens feature or Safari on iPhone to translate these images. Step 5. Check your options carefully on the product page. Make sure to select the Rocket delivery option. This ensures faster processing through our service. Step 6. Copy the URL and submit your request. Once you've decided on a product, simply copy the page URL and submit a purchase request on our Danzak website. Step 7. Order freely. Here's something great about our service. You don't need to bundle multiple items to get free domestic shipping. Even if you want just one item worth 1,000 won, you'll still get free domestic delivery. So feel free to order items separately whenever you want them. That's it. Shopping Korean products has never been easier with Danzak.